he started, Oskar Schindler, with the time. We think maybe when he saw the brutality of the displacements, he started to help the Jews with a purpose. So he reduced the amount of hours to 8 hours, yes, before there were 12, and always he was giving something warm to eat. And food that time, it was priceless, yes, it had more value than money. But the most, let's say, life-saving idea was exactly the idea that I mentioned to you, to start producing the ammunition parts. Because Oskar Schindler again used that in autumn 44, when the Russian army was coming closer, and that meant, well, death for many of the Jews, because that meant that the factory is gonna close, and so they gonna be killed, yes? In the case of Oskar Schindler and his Jews, he used that and he said, look, I'm producing something very important, yes, for the army. Let's move the factory more inland, so the Third Reich. And he knew a place. It was very close to the place that he was born, in Brünnlitz. He knew that there was abandoned, like a factory house, and they moved. They moved within 24 hours, and they took everything, machines, and again, they moved thanks to the Amman-Gut agreement. So Amman-Gut said, okay, you can go, but I need to have like a list of people that are going with you, yes? So this is where exactly the famous Oskar Schindler's list was made, yes? And they moved, and nothing was left here behind. So that's why, please don't be disappointed when you visit the museum, because we have over there in the exhibition there are maybe 3 pots that are original from the factory, and really not much. What we can see, what is original, what stayed, are the buildings, yes. When you see the photos, also this exactly the shape, the roof, the shape of that roof, it's exactly like from that times, and the building that we can see that was built during the times of Oskar Schindler. Yeah.